I'm making this thing, not there yet. Want to say hello to my pup?
Hello, everybody.
Yeah. Got to look at both sides of the road. And now let's go over here.
It's a goat.
There's a goat. Can you see?
Yo.
There's a little baby one. You may not see it. Oh. You hear me go like that, I might fall. But yeah, hopefully not. Look at this view. Look. So it looks really, really cool. Go look on the ground. So no snakes and stuff. I'm gonna put on the camera. I'm at Cumborah, so some of you may not worry because you're in town or somewhere. Yes, I'm not. But yeah, if you are here, so gotta watch out for cactus or bird. You gotta look at cactus. Like, look at that. Look at that. That's cactus. Very dangerous. And there's my pup behind me. And hey, wanna say cheese?
Want to say what?
Cheese.
Cheese.
No, if you're on camera, you can take photos. And that's nice. Well, we're going to the dam at cumborah. Oh yeah, that's just the wind or tree. Huh?
Make sure you film it like that instead of walking up and down. You'll see it.
Yeah. Oh, there's birds all the way over here. There used to be water, but there's not. Hopefully the dam's a little. Hopefully there's some water, and there's water there a long time ago. And this thing is like I can swim at this dam. He technically owns it, but like the dam and Mother Nature. So one thing you gotta watch out is in the water is little bushes. It's sharp, spiky bits, and hopefully there's no cactus or prickly pear. Oh, kangaroos. Look at that. I think you can see it. But there was just kangaroos there. Hopefully you've seen them.
They're on the hill, look.
There they are. They come launching at you. Make sure to run. But this is mother of its baby. Ooh. Go watch out for the males. There they going. Wait. Can you see them? Oh no, you probably didn't. Well, we're almost there. And look, sunset looks very cool. And hopefully I don't publish this tomorrow because it's Halloween and it's about to be night time, which I hate because Halloween's at night time. And I'm at Cumborah in the weekends, which I hate because we have to stay out here because that's alright. And there's water. People littering. There's a sauce packet somewhere. Yeah, right there. Hate people when they litter. It's not good. Or put stuff that meant to be for the friend end up in. We're here at the water at the dam. Hey, look, ducks. Probably hear them right now. You gotta be careful from snakes. See something that's not here before, be careful. Oh, look at this. Right, there's some dogs barking. Whoa.
Something scared the bird.
Do you see anything? Hopefully it was us. Hopefully it was us. Do you want to see the other dam? Where a little close. It's probably dried up now, or almost, because the water's getting low. Oh, ducks. Where are the ducks? Oh, there. Well, I'm almost there. I like calling this place Rock Landing Head because there's lots of rocks over here. Look, and you gotta watch out for prickly stuff like this. And make sure not to sit on it. Make sure to be careful from those. That's the damn. Oh, we need the water. There was a nest somewhere, but now it's gone. But look at this. Wait, can you see that? Well, we might stop the video. Yeah, but maybe when we go a little bit close to my house, we might come here tomorrow. And I wanted, what the hell is that? Must be some cactus.
Yeah, what's this?
Yeah. That's all. Well, we might go back. What should we do? Go back or look for some more?
Well, it's going to get dark pretty quick now. home. We've got a bit of a walk ahead of us to get home, so I think we wait till the morning light, and let's see what it looks like again, doing the same thing when the sun's come up.
Yep. Tomorrow.
Yeah, might even bring the breakfast down and make breakfast.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Yep.
This is great. Smell that beautiful fresh air.
Yeah.
You see the kangaroos bouncing around. And you have swum in that dam so many times since you were a little fella.
Yeah, I know.
That's cool. Oh, watch where you're walking.
You remember what I said at the start?
You really had a bloopers reel there.
You remember when I was saying at the start?
Yep.
Where I almost tripped and I said I might trip. Well, I almost tripped again, saying that. But tomorrow.
Yeah, that's bad. People throwing rubbish.
But tomorrow.
We'll come down
Should.
and pick that up and get rid of it. Even though
Yep.
it's not our rubbish, but we'll do that because that's what you do for the place you live in.
Yep. For the land. And
Yep.
make it more better. But the cactus that's
Oh,
here
thanks for
is.
cutting cactus.
I hate cactus.